We're building these chairs together. This is how the finished product is going to look like. Fairly straightforward. Comes with the screws and the tool for it, packed like this. And yeah, we start with the legs. Unpacking is easy, but this stuff is wrapped around the metal frame, so with 20 turns, so that's going to take a little while to unravel it. Yeah, removing it is slightly annoying. Let's check out the quality. Powder coating is looking good. Let's see the welds. Yeah, well, I guess it'll hold. Not too horrendous. I guess it'll do. They didn't clean up the welding spatter on this a little bit. There are some holes burnt into it. It's okay, it'll hold. It's still, whatever, beautifully made. The upholstery on the backrest is zippered on, so it's removable. This is a wipeable, sanitizable, washable surface. And if you can live with zippers that don't have the grabby tabs that hang on usually the zippers, you can kind of unzip and wash and clean. Yeah, it looks fairly thin. 1/2-inch plywood and some high density foam. Yeah, we gave up on using that tool and we wanted to put it in a chuck and a torque because we don't have all day when we have a whole pile of these to build. So, front of the chair that way, so when you put the legs on, the backrest, the metal frame for the backrest should be obviously to the back. So for the backrest, number 5 and number 6 are needed. 5 goes up top, 6 goes below, and 7 is the cap to cap the screws. I just cut off most of one tool so I can work at a reasonable pace. Yeah, screw alignment is a little bit tricky because you're going to be rubbing the screw against the outer wall here and here on all 4. These bolts are on an angle on purpose. This is the right angle. And then the caps are just friction fit like so. Super simple. Okay, so we're gonna end up with some extra parts and the Allen key. So how's the chair? This one is a little dense, a little, I'm not saying uncomfortable, but it's not a cushy chair. It's well padded, but I guess it works if you're, I don't know, waiting for the doctor or whatever. With the chair's design, the base is pretty heavy, which is good, so it doesn't tend to tip over. It rights itself. Pretty good, yeah.